Guys, welcome back to the channel. So how are you all doing? It has been a while. It's I think it's almost 2 weeks since I posted a new video. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well at your end. If you're coming across this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Vera and this is my reality. So you're welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here. My people, a lot has happened though within this short period of time, but it's all well. I'll be bringing you some of the videos that I shot that I've not been able to edit and post. Yeah, I've not been able to edit and post them, but I made fresh videos. And today, like, I wanted to unbox these items that I got. I wanted to show you this particular one. I ordered these dresses from Instagram and I've not even opened them to see what they look like, so I'll be opening them on camera. Then I accidentally bought a designer's handbag. I bought a Gucci bag. Accidentally. So we are going to be unboxing everything together right now. So let's start from this, my beautiful bag that I got. I told you, designer's bag by Error. Well, this receipt came with the bag, and when I saw them, I was like, Vera, you bought a Gucci bag without without even knowing. How manage? What is going on? Are they doing promo at this price? Stay there now. Which one is my own? But my own is that they didn't even write the Gucci on the bag. See all my receipts. See, I'm not seeing them. Authentic receipt with seal. See them, oh. Yeah, see now. This one is actually okay. See this one, oh. Before you go and say I did not buy a designer's bag. See everything. See everything, oh. See the seal. Oh my goodness. So don't mind me. Let's unbox. Give me this bag. I've opened this bag before and I absolutely love everything about this bag. It has I bought it with a shoe, a red shoe. See this bag. Is it not beautiful? Is it not lovely? As in, like, just look at the finishing, the detailing. This bag. See the inside. This one, and then inside of the bag. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love the bag. And let me just close this. Then I love this chain, ash color. I love it. This bag is a beaut. Like, let's see. It's very beautiful. You want to know how much I bought this bag? I'm sure you do not want to know. For security reasons. So this one is from a vendor on Instagram. This is the first time I'm actually buying a dress from her. Should I show the let me leave it. I need to check the dress first of all, if it's what I ordered, and if I like it, I might decide to share their handle. Oh, I'm already loving this. So there are actually two dresses here. Dress 6. Now, this is one of them. This is the first one. Okay, this is even the second one that this is absolutely beautiful. I think I'm going to love this dress. This is actually very beautiful. See, so it's sitting here. I like the material. Then the finishing. The finishing is okay. I think I'm going to try it on. This is one, and this was the one that actually took me to her page before I saw this other one. Oh, this dress is beautiful. See, I don't know if you can see it very well. It's beautiful. I'm going to wear it now. Ta-da! This is this one. I think this is exactly what I ordered. It's beautiful. Let me take this camera up so that you see it very well. See, see. Ah, it's beautiful. Short down. It's beautiful. This is it. This is the second one. It's beautiful. I think I love this. Not zip it up at the back, but it's nice. It's beautiful. Love it. I love it. I love it. How do I get the full length of this dress? How do I get it?